Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Getting Started with Python for IoT Projects. Introduction. Internet of Things, IoT, has become an integral part of modern technology, allowing devices to communicate and share data seamlessly. Python, with its simplicity and versatility, is an excellent choice for developing IoT projects. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the basics of Python for IoT and provide a simple code example to get you started. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install required libraries. Before starting your IoT project, you need to install the necessary libraries for communication and sensor interfacing. Use the following command to install the required libraries using pip. The paho-mqtt library is for MQTT communication, a popular protocol for IoT applications. The adafruit-dht library is used for interfacing with DHT series sensors. Step 2. Set up MQTT broker. MQTT, Message Queuing Telemetry Transport, is a lightweight protocol commonly used in IoT for communication between devices. You can use a public MQTT broker or set up your own. For this example, we'll use the public broker broker.mqtt.io. Step 3, Python code example. Now, let's create a simple Python script that reads data from a DHT sensor and publishes it to an MQTT topic. Save the following code in a file, example iot_example.py. This script reads temperature and humidity from a DHT11 sensor connected to a specified GPIO pin, publishes the data to the iot/example topic on the MQTT broker, and prints the data to the console. The loop repeats every 10 seconds. Step 4, run the code. Execute the Python script on your microcontroller or single-board computer. You should see temperature and humidity data being printed to the console and published to the MQTT topic. Conclusion. This tutorial provides a basic overview of using Python for IoT projects. You can further extend this example by adding more sensors, actuators, or integrating other services. As you explore more IoT applications, Python's rich ecosystem and community support will prove invaluable. Happy tinkering! ChatGPT.